To fix CapCut lag, start by understanding the common causes of the issue, which include outdated software, low device specifications, and excessive cache. Begin by checking for updates in the App Store and installing the latest version of CapCut. Next, consider the device specifications, as CapCut requires a minimum of 2 GB RAM and a decent processor to function smoothly. If your device does not meet these requirements, consider upgrading or using a different device. Clearing the cache is also essential, as it can help free up storage space and reduce lag. To do this, go to your device settings, find the storage section, and select CapCut. From there, choose the Clear Cache option to remove temporary files. Another step is to reduce the video quality or resolution when editing, as high-quality videos can be demanding on device resources. To do this, open CapCut, go to the Settings menu, and adjust the video quality or resolution to a lower setting. Additionally, closing other resource-intensive apps can help allocate more resources to CapCut. Reducing lag. To do this, go to your device's Recent Apps section, and close any apps that are not in use. Finally, consider reinstalling CapCut if none of the above steps resolve the issue. To do this, go to the App Store, find CapCut, and select the Uninstall option. Then, reinstall the app and try editing again. By following these steps, you can effectively fix CapCut lag and enjoy a smoother video editing experience. Remember to regularly update your device and apps, and be mindful of your device's specifications to prevent lag in the future.